When do we call the states are safely explored? A. A goal state is unreachable from any state. B. A goal state is denied access. C. A goal state is reachable from every state. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is a goal state is reachable from every state. Constraint satisfaction problems on finite domains are typically solved using a form of A. Search algorithms. B. Heuristic search algorithms. C. Greedy search algorithms. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. What among the following constitutes to the incremental formulation of CSP? A. Path cost. B. Goal cost. C. Successor function. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Which of the following problems can be modeled as CSP? A. 8 puzzle problem. B. 8 queen problem. C. Map coloring problem. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. The term is used for a depth-first search that chooses values for one variable at a time and returns when a variable has no legal values left to assign. A. Forward search. B. Backtrack search. C. Hill algorithm. D. Reverse downhill search. The correct answer is backtrack search. Backtracking is based on A. Last in first out. B. First in first out. C. Recursion. D. Both last in first out recursion. The correct answer is both last in first out recursion. Flexible CSPs relax on A. Constraints. B. Current state. C. Initial state. D. Goal state. The correct answer is constraints. Are mathematical problems defined as a set of objects whose state must satisfy a number of constraints or limitations? A. Constraints satisfaction problems. B. Uninformed search problems. C. Local search problems. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is constraints satisfaction problems. Consider a problem of preparing a schedule for a class of student. What type of problem is this? A. Search problem. B. Backtrack problem. C. CSP. D. Planning problem. The correct answer is CSP. Which of the following algorithm is generally used CSP search algorithm? A. Breadth first search algorithm. B. Depth first search algorithm. C. Hill climbing search algorithm. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is depth first search algorithm. Is are useful when the original formulation of a problem is altered in some way, typically because the set of constraints to consider evolves because of the environment. A. Static CSPs. B. Dynamic CSPs. C. Flexible CSPs. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is dynamic CSPs. To overcome the need to backtrack in constraint satisfaction problem can be eliminated by A. Forward searching. B. Constraint propagation. C. Backtrack after a forward search. D. Omitting the constraints and focusing only on goals. The correct answer is forward searching. The new organization established to implement the fifth generation project is called A. ICOT Institute for New Generation Computer Technology. B. MITI Ministry of International Trade and Industry. C. MCC Microelectronics and Computer Technology Corporation. D. SCP Strategic Computing Program. The correct answer is ICOT Institute for New Generation Computer Technology. Solving a constraint satisfaction problem on a finite domain is a problem with respect to the domain size. A. P complete. B. NP complete. C. NP hard. D. Domain dependent. The correct answer is NP complete. Language is used for programming. Constrained programming includes A. Prolog, B. C, C, D. Fortran. The correct answer is Prolog, an artificial intelligence technique that allows computers to understand associations and relationships between objects and events is called A. Heuristic processing, B. Cognitive science, C. Relative symbolism, D. Pattern matching. The correct answer is relative symbolism. Nils Nilsson headed a team at Sri that created a mobile robot named A. Robotics, B. Daedalus, C. Shaky, D. Wax. The correct answer is Shaky. Constrained propagation technique actually modifies the CSP problem. A. True, B. False, C, D. The correct answer is true. The backtracking search algorithm in Figure 5.3 has a very simple policy for what to do when a branch of the search fails. Back up to the preceding variable and try a different value for it. This is called chronological backtracking. It is also possible to go all the way to set of variable that caused failure. A. True, B. False, C, D. The correct answer is true.